making the programming code in the MainActivity.java class and initiate linking our existing UI XML with its elements. Now let's move to the main coding file. Think of XML as the body of the app and Java as the brain. The brain controls everything, and now we are going to work on the brain of our app, the coding file. Now here's something interesting. We do not need to memorize the whole code of the main activity class. We can simply collect the entire main activity class template and its code from AI, and then we will customize the template code as per our needs. Now in this video we'll learn how to do it. Here we'll establish the connection of our existing UI file and the element tools with the code. Lastly, we'll write some code to handle an event, and the event will run when you click on the button of the UI. While working in the main activity class, we'll write code and learn in the same time. Firstly, we will remove the unnecessary generated code. Now we're going to tell about what's actually inside the main activity Java file. It's the heart of every Android app. Number one, package declaration. At the very top, you will see something like package com.example.myapp. Just like these things, it's, it's just an address of this app file locations in Android Studio. Number two, imports. Here we will find a few lines starting with the word import. These lines works as magic spell, which brings necessary tools into your workspace. We can use this magic spell when you need Android ready-made layout button, ready-made toolbars, ready-made layout items, etc. Class declaration. It's the big one. While declaring the class name, we want to inform something like the file represent specific skin of our app. By extends app compact activity means we are using all ready-made Android screen features. On create method. This method is the very special and the first portion of the code that runs when your app opens the device. This also set up area where we can arrange app primary activities as our need. Suppose we can tell it here which layout file will open and what event will happen in different moments. Number 5. View initialization and logic. Initialization means we can introduce make connection XML with Java code. Besides, we can use simple logic to show welcome messages. That's it. You have just learned what's inside the main activity file, the control room of your Android app. Thirdly, we'll do variable declaration for edit text and button. Now To arrange linking our existing UI XML with its element, we will come to the onGear method section. It is some section. Second section will introduce the views of layout with this code. We can identify them with the unique ID, and in the view initialization section we can use find view by ID method for this. To make our concept clear, we can say that XML as the body, Java file as the brain. Find view by ID method is like the nerve connection between them. Hope that we can understand. Before start this session, please note that we have to keep the clear concept about Android package and Android activity. No worries, I have shared its tutorial links in the description below.